best Pochero. We're home of the best Pochero in Cebu.
When we say it's popular, you can see how popular it is because it's now
Kita ko no. Oh my God.
full up with people. People are now struggling to get the
It's 12 noon, so people are in lunch
here. Thank you, madam. This is the owner of the place, very sexy.
Wala ma'am.
Dugo-dugo natin.
She
Dugo-dugo. Abas ay baka.
she's the one who actually cook all the food here. This restaurant is just located within her garden. This is her vacant area and just operating from her house. That's the Cebuano recipes. Busy kayo. So you can see it's very popular here in Cebu. Although she's just operating within her house, but people would still come here just to taste her recipes. They've been operating here for 12 years and they're becoming popular every year. But I swear their food is really nice. Their Pochero is the best in Cebu. Sen was asking me if it still can be seen. Yes,
It's actually raining here.
there's a typhoon right here in Cebu now. The first typhoon for 2019. So we're going out now. Yeah, we're gonna have to get the
With our biggest umbrella.
okay. We're gonna have to get the name.
Oh, the pictures, they're actually featured in one of the major broadsheet in the
In Manila,
country.
in the country. Oh,
So Manila Bulletin is one of the biggest publisher in the Philippines, in the country. And this resto, though they're just in their house, they're featured in one of the best pucheros here in Cebu.
so it's just within the
The city. And
look. As you can see,
it's just within the village of their house.
the cars are parked just going inside the food house.